An oxymoron is a figure of speech in which two opposite or contradictory words are combined to create a unique or thought-provoking phrase. In this episode of Competitive Exam English, we are going to learn 20 oxymorons which are used in everyday English. So, let's start. Bittersweet. Bittersweet means a feeling of both pleasure and pain. Example: graduation was a bittersweet moment for everyone. Deafening silence means noticeable silence due to disappointment or lack of enthusiasm. Example: there was a deafening silence after the announcement. Act naturally means to behave in a relaxed and genuine way so that it doesn't seem unnatural. Example: just act naturally when you meet him. Clearly confused describes a situation where someone's confusion is very obvious or apparent to others. Example: he looked clearly confused by the instructions. Original copy means a duplicate, that is the first or earliest version of that document. Example: please submit the original copy of your certificate. Open secret means something that is supposed to be secret but is actually known by many. Example: their relationship is an open secret in the office. Seriously funny denotes something that is very funny. Example: that comedian is seriously funny. Living dead is normally referred to zombies or the undead. Example: zombies are often called the living dead. Only choice means having no other alternative, or one can say out of options. Example: it was my only choice at the time. Small crowd means a small group or gathering of people. Example: a small crowd gathered to watch the street performer. Old news means information that was once news but is now outdated. Example: that's old news, everyone already knows. Awfully good means something that is very good. Example: the cake was awfully good. Jumbo shrimp refers to shrimps that are large in size. Since jumbo means big and shrimp means small, hence the word jumbo shrimp is an oxymoron. Example: I ordered the jumbo shrimp for dinner. Virtual reality means a simulated reality, something that doesn't exist in real life. Example: virtual reality games are becoming more popular. Seriously funny means something that is really very funny. Example: his jokes are seriously funny. Pretty ugly refers to something that is quite ugly or bad. Example: the weather outside is pretty ugly today. Working vacation means a vacation where you are supposed to relax but end up working. Example: I am on a working vacation this week. Definite maybe means an uncertain answer that suggests maybe, but with some confidence. Example: that's a definite maybe for me. Passive-aggressive refers to a sort of behavior that appears passive on the surface but is actually aggressive. Example: she gave me a passive-aggressive response. Same difference means something that doesn't matter irrespective of the effort. Example: whether you go today or tomorrow, it's the same difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and join our competitive exam English community. Tap the bell icon for updates and check out the other videos of this channel. Goodbye. See you in the next episode.